This is a smart ring that doesn't even look like a smart ring. It's like a wedding ring or friendship ring, and it comes in sizes 6 to 12 that lets you pair it up with your partner if you'd like. Gorgeous, thin body, excellent design, and the data it collects pairs with a nice, amazing app actually called Luck Ring, where you can get all kinds of mind-body readiness information, your continuous heart rate, blood oxygen, 24 hours, and this is very fascinating. Under heart rate variability, it'll also give you what's called a Lorenz scatter plot. Haven't seen that now for years in a device. These are the different scatter plots that may show up, and they each have a different meaning in terms of how your heart behaved during the night. Not for diagnosis, but just for information. If it's one of these different shapes, go and read about it. If it changes from night to night, that gives you information too. So wanted to point that one out. In addition, you got stress level, mental state that you can put in, what your mood is like. Ladies, your tracking information's there, and it also has a skin temperature monitor that'll tell you if you're high or low. That may precede you getting sick. You know how your temperature goes up first before you feel it. So a really well done app that correlates with the ring itself. It's called the HR1 Bluetooth Smart Ring. Men, women, couples, you name it. And this just in, there's a special buy one, get another one for half off, a his and hers. Look at that. Check it out in the show notes.